Hello students, welcome to the study of social science. We are doing the second chapter of Civics, Federalism for class 10. In this video, we will talk about the third major way in which federalism is practiced in India, and that is the center-state relations. By improving the center-state relations, federalism has been successfully practiced in India. And when we talk about the center-state relations, we know that in a constitution, there is a proper arrangement for power sharing between the center and the state governments. But after independence, for a long time, states were dependent on the central government. Means the states' governments were not free to control their own affairs. After independence from 1947 to 1990, mostly we had only one party in the center and states, which means for a long time the same party ruled for both the center and in most of the states. Thus in those days the states did not have the right or power to make decisions. They were dependent on the central government. And when the ruling party at the state level was different, means not the same party which was at the center, then the party that ruled at the center tried to undermine the power of states, or it tried to reduce the powers of state governments. Even the central governments often misuse the constitution. Means sometimes the central government made changes in the constitution to dismiss the state governments. But all this changed after 1990. What happened after 1990? This period saw the rise of regional political parties in many states of India. For example, Trinamool Congress in West Bengal and Meghalaya, Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh, Samajwadi Party and Rashtriya Lok Dal in Uttar Pradesh, and Janata Dal in Bihar. This period also marked the beginning of the era of coalition governments and alliances. A coalition government is when after the election no political parties get the clear majority, then many political parties join hands and form a government known as coalition government. And what is an alliance? An alliance is when before election several political parties, including regional parties, join hand to contest the election and win power is called an alliance. When after winning the alliance form a government, this government is also called a coalition government. The major alliances of India are NDA, UPA and Left Front. NDA is a group of 31 political parties. Thus after 1990, in case after the election no political party gets a clear majority, then many political parties, including regional parties, have started joining hands for the formation of the government at the center. Thus, the regional parties become a major factor in this kind of government. They begin to play a significant role in the formation of government at the center. In this new culture of power sharing, the state governments are free to make decisions or control their own affairs. And this was also supported by a major judgment of the Supreme Court. Under Article 356 of the Constitution of India, the President of India had the power to dismiss the state government on the advice of the ruling party at the center. But in 1994, according to the major judgment of the Supreme Court, the President should exercise this power only after his order is approved by both the houses of the Parliament. This means with the agreement of both the houses of the Parliament, the President will be able to dismiss the state governments. Thus, this judgment of the Supreme Court made it difficult for the central government to dismiss the state governments. And by improving the center-state relations, federalism has been successfully practiced in India. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.